Hello everyone, this is Fahad Mirza and I welcome you to my channel. I'm very excited to share with you a very lightweight model which is a speech to text model called as Moonshine. This model is not only quite lightweight but also it uses rotary position embedding instead of traditional absolute position embedding in order to provide you the output. When we say rotary position embedding, in very simple words, what it means is that the moonshine model uses this technique to help the transformer architecture model understand the position of each audio segment in a sequence. Think of it like a special kind of GPS for audio segment, allowing the model to better understand the context and relationships between different parts of the audio signal. We are going to install this model locally and we will see how it works. Moonshine is a family of speech to text models optimized for fast and accurate automatic speech recognition or ASR on resource constrained devices. What it means is it is ideally suited for CPU or edge devices or your mobile on device applications like for various use cases like live transcription and voice command recognition. Also, according to various benchmarks, this Moonshine model obtains word error rates or WER better than similarly sized Tiny and Base Whisper models from OpenAI. There is a lot of benchmarking information which you can find here in this report. I will drop the link to it in video's description. There are various ways you can get it installed. You can install it on JackSpecs, or you can install it using Torch, TensorFlow, ONNX, and various other. My suggestion is that if you're looking to deploy it on your edge devices, go with ONNX, and other than that just use the transformers library, and that is what we are going to do in this video. Before I move forward, let me give a huge shout out to Massed Compute who are sponsoring the VM and GPU for this video. If you are looking to rent a GPU on very affordable prices, I will drop the link to their website in video's description. Plus I'm also going to give you a coupon code of 50% discount on range of GPU, so do check them out. This is my Ubuntu system and this is my GPU card. Hang on, let me, okay, so my system is a bit slow. Let me show you my GPU card here. This is my GPU card. I might not be using it as much because it can run on CPU, but this is just for the record. Okay, enough talk. Let me create a virtual environment and we will get started to install this Moonshine model and see how it works. Let's wait for it. And now let's install some of the prerequisites, which are always a good idea for the audio models. Like I'm installing PyAudio and Lipport audio. Lipport is already installed, so let's let it finish the PyAudio installation. And now let me install all the prerequisites, which include transformers and torch audio. This is going to take few minutes. And now let me launch my Jupyter notebook. Let's first grab the tokenizer and the model. And you can see that the model is very lightweight. It's a tiny model, and while we were talking it has already downloaded it, which is great. Okay, let's grab a audio file from my local system and we will transcribe it. It's a speech to text model, and this is how we do it. So we are just grabbing the audio and the sample rate from this local audio. I will also play it out for you shortly, and then we are just checking it out about its sample rate. The sample rate is the number of audio samples taken per second. It's a measure of the audio signal's resolution, and SR represents the sample rate of the loaded audio file, which is measured in hertz. So for example, if SR is 16,000, it means that the audio file has got the sample rate of 16k hertz, which is common sample rate for speech audio. So let me first play the audio for you and then I will do the transcription.
Then, leaving the corpse within the house, they go themselves to and fro about the city and beat themselves, with their garments bound up by a girdle.
Now you have heard the audio. Let's go back and run it. And you can see the speed. There you go. It's already done. And it says then leaving the corpse within the house, they go themselves to and fro about the city and beat themselves with their garments bound up by a girdle. Spot on, flawless, I would say, transcription here. If I quickly show you my VRAM consumption, you will also be surprised to see how lightweight and low footprint this model is. Nothing, it is just using CPU, so no GPU at all. I think one of the best models I have seen so far. And the only thing is that it is only works with English at the moment. Okay, let's try out another audio. Let me play it for you.
This is Fad Mirza. Please subscribe to the channel.
Let's run the transcription now. There you go. So the spelling of my name are not correct, but that, of course, that's not an English word. And the rest of it is quite good, as you can see. Now this is another example where I'm using a British accent by another voice, and it is quite an angry voice. So let's see.
You've hit me 4 times now. You've hit me 4 times now.
And the voice is not that clear. So let's try it out, how the model deals with it. I have already given it this WAV file format. By the way, it works on both WAV and MP3. Let me run it. There you go. He's got me 4 times now. Another good thing which I have noticed about this model is that unlike OpenAI's Whisper model, which doesn't matter whether the audio is short or long. For example, if an audio is 10-second long, it is still will complete the whole chunk and then it will return us. But for this one, for 10 seconds, it takes quite short, so which is quite nice. So, and you can see that it has transcribed it quite well. Let's try out a bit longer audio. Now this audio which I'm going to play is longer than 3 minutes, so I will just play a few seconds of it.
Hello everyone. Today we delve into the professional world of Fad Mirza, a prominent figure in AI, cloud engineering, and DevOps. So let's break down what makes Fad's career so interesting and impactful.
So I have already started the transcription of it. There you go. It has produced something, and you see that for longer one, it is just, I'm not sure what it is doing. So it is just picking up random words from it, and then it is giving me this. Now, one thing which I believe is happening here is that due to this frequency, because the frequency or the sample rate, should I say, is a different for this one. So make sure that whenever you give it an audio, its sample rate is 16,000. Otherwise, I have seen this thing happening. So this is the limitation of it, and we have to show both the good and bad of the model. Especially, I have seen that as the length of the audio grows, so is this thing. So make sure that you take care of it. But other than that, you saw that if the sample rate is fine, your audio is no matter if female, male, whatever the accent is, as long as it is English, it performs quite well. So that's it. I hope that you enjoyed it. I will drop the link to it in video description. If you like the content, please consider subscribing to the channel. If you are already subscribed, please share it among your network as it helps a lot. Thank you for watching.